Today we are going to solve a question at the P5 level on the topic rate. Tap P can fill an empty tank in 6 hours. Both P and Q working together can fill the entire tank in 4 hours. So how long will it take for tap Q alone to fill the empty tank? For a start, let's look at tap P. It takes 6 hours for tap P to fill one entire tank. Therefore, in 1 hour, tap P will be able to fill 1/6 of the tank. Next, if P and Q were to work together, tap P plus tap Q, they can fill the entire tank in 4 hours. So 4 hours fill one tank, which means that in 1 hour, both taps can fill 1/4 of the tank. Now this is logical because if both taps are working together, it will fill 1/4 of the tank, which is an amount greater than 1/6 of the tank if tap P were to work alone. So by having this information, we can now solve for the amount of the tank that tap Q can fill in 1 hour if it is going to work alone. So let's look at 1 hour. In 1 hour's time, since tap P can fill 1/6 of the tank while both P and Q working together can fill 1/4 of the tank, the difference of 1/4 and 1/6 must be the amount that tap Q can fill in 1 hour. So by taking the subtraction for both fraction, making the denominator the same, 3/12 minus 2/12. Now we will have 1/12 of the tank here. So as we can see from the information that we have just worked out, in 1 hour, tap Q will be able to fill 1/12 of the tank. That means tap Q working alone will be able to fill 1 out of 12 of the tank in 1 hour. So if we see the basis of comparison here, we are using 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour to compare. So next, now we are going to find out how long will it take then for tap Q alone to fill the empty tank. So as we can see from this portion over here, since tap Q can fill 1 out of 12 of the tank in 1 hour, it means that 1 unit of the tank, it will take 1 hour to fill up. Now for the entire tank to be filled up, which means since the denominator is 12, means that 12 out of 12 will be the full tank. So 12 units. That means the entire tank. How long will it then take? 1 times 12 units, which will give us 12 hours. So it takes 12 hours to fill, for tap Q alone to fill the entire tank.